Hey, so let's do a 5 minute trampoline rebounding video. Let's start easy. Let's just start bouncing. So you want to keep the abs in, try to engage. If you have the bar, you can always hold on. I'm wearing grip socks. I prefer to wear socks instead of sneakers. Well, grip socks. While jumping, I feel like I'm kind of like working my feet out also. So we're just bouncing, we're just starting easy. You could start moving the arms if you need to, just hold the bar. Breathing. And then let's bring the arms up, still bouncing. And then let's do a little jog from bouncing. So you're just bending one knee. You can incorporate the arms. I like to use the trampoline for lymphatic and also for the cardio. But right now we're just starting easy with a little bounce jog. Okay, and then let's go wide and just bouncing still. Still keep the abs in. You could hold on. You can move the arms. Could bring the arms up too. And then when you're ready, we're gonna bring the feet back in, like hip width apart, and just start jumping. Definitely engage the abs. You could engage the glutes too. Breathing, definitely getting into the cardio. And then let's go into a wide jumping. And then we're gonna start going back and forth. So in and then out. Good, just make sure you're breathing. And then let's come in, let's go back to a little bounce. And then I'm gonna have us do a little twisting jump. So we're on one side and then jump to the other side. A little rotation. You could hold the bar. I do love this trampoline because it has the bar, so I feel very stable here. Good, last one. Back to a bounce. The trampoline I'm on now is the Kensone trampoline. I'll link it in this video. I do have a discount code, so that is helpful if you don't have a trampoline and you want to get one. Okay, now we're gonna start with one leg in and out. So jumping, try to bend one leg up if it feels okay. If anything doesn't feel good, you want to skip it. Breathing, kind of like a jumping march. And then we're gonna go into a rotate, lifting the knee up. So getting into the obliques. I love to use my trampoline. Sometimes I just use it for a few minutes a day. Okay, back to a bounce. Then I'm gonna have us end with a harder one, and then we'll do a little bit of a stretch after. So we're using the bar for this one. Really engage the abs. If it doesn't feel good, skip it. We're gonna jump, open the legs. So you could do a double bounce when you're landing. Be careful. It does get into the arms because we are using the arms when we're lifting. We'll just do a few more. Last one. Okay, rest. Go back to a nice little bounce. So those are just a few things that I'll do on the trampoline. And then let's just end with 2 stretches. So these are 2 I like to do after I jump. Just pull one leg back, stretching, breathing. You're holding the bar. Good, you'll switch to the other side. And then we're gonna try like a figure 4 stretch, holding the bar. If it doesn't feel good, don't do it, skip it. Okay, so figure 4, ankle over knee, and if you can, you're just gonna try to sit. So getting into the glute, hip opening. You could bounce like a little bit, but don't overdo it. Good, and then the other side. Breathing. Yeah, and I'm gonna be filming more trampoline videos, so stay tuned until next time.